Hello my friends. My friend Amy, who is working here with me together at our Bohr-Eitang TCM clinic, is suffering from insomnia. So we had the idea to show you today a little recipe how you can use Chinese herbs to prepare herbal tea to sleep better. You just need 4 herbs. 25 grams of Swansauren, 15 grams of Balsaren, 15 grams of Herbal and 30 grams of Yajiaoten. The preparation of our Chinese herbal tea is also very easy. You just put all the herbs into a pot. Then you add water until all the herbs are covered. You bring the water to a boil and then you boil it for 20 minutes on a low flame. And after the 20 minutes you strain the herbs through a strainer and it's ready. Now how to use our herbal tea. For the best results, you should drink 1 cup of the herbal tea in the morning and another cup in the evening before going to bed. Now, why does our herbal tea help to sleep better? According to Chinese medicine reasoning, all the 4 herbs in this little formula nourish the heart and calm the spirit. So if you have trouble falling asleep or sleeping through the night, you can just try this little recipe and see if it works for you. But there are also other factors which can improve your sleep. One thing I noticed is when people directly before going to sleep watch TV or look on their cell phone or their iPad, they usually sleep worse. So according to my experience, it's best to not use too much TV or iPhone or cell phone 1 to 2 hours before going to bed. Another thing is Chinese doctors say that if your stomach works, you don't sleep very well. Yeah? This is a very free translation of mine. But I think the reasoning is right. So if you eat a heavy meal right before going to bed, your stomach will work and then you will not be able to sleep very well. If you would like to have a little PDF summary of our herbal recipe, just click the link below and we will be happy to mail it for you. Thanks for watching our little program and stay healthy!